How to turn off automatic billing on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off automatic billing on Facebook. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, launch Facebook app. Sign in to your account. Tap three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll to the bottom and then select Settings and Privacy and choose Settings option. Scroll down. Now on the Preferences section, select Browser and under Autofill you will get the different option. Simply make sure to toggle the button off for Autofill payment forms. And you need to toggle the button off for Autofill contact forms as well. And once you have done that, your automatic billing on Facebook will be turned off. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.